welcome to my channel. As you know, I'm Jus B TV. On my channel, we talk about all things beauty, fashion, DIY, pretty much everything that I love to do. I show you how to do it. So, in my last video, I did say that I had boho locks for vacation. I lied. Well, I didn't lie. I actually decided to get micro boho, what is it called? Micro tree braids for vacation instead. I just thought these were fitting. The locks were kind of heavy and I just didn't want to do that, so I switched it up. Now, this is not a vlog, but I am doing a birthday vlog. So you guys want to see where I'm at, you want to see the looks, get into the looks. This is my birthday look. I'm a big present. Don't I look so cute? You want to see the vlog? I'm going to be posting a vlog on my channel as soon as I'm done. As soon as I get it edited up, I'll put it up. I haven't done like a vacation vlog in so long, but I love doing them. So check that out later on. This is a hairstyle video of me doing these. I just feel like these are so cute. They're so light. And I know I had said previously that I wasn't going to be doing any more individual braids. I lied on that too. These were so easy. I love this hair. This hair is by a company called Hotbraids, and they sent me their body wave human bulk hair. I think that's what it is. I'll put it in the video. And this hair is eating, y'all. It's a little wet because I actually got in the shower and I wet it up, but it's perfect for vacation. This hairstyle is very simple to do if you know how to braid. Of course, you gotta know how to braid, but it's perfect for vacation and it just gives you what you're supposed to give. So if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're old, welcome back. Don't forget to hit the like button because that helps my channel and that gets these videos out to other people. Because if you're a girly like me and wants to learn how to do your hair and you want to slay on your holiday, then help another girl out. Don't gatekeep. And share this video to your homegirl, your mama, your auntie, somebody who you know needs this type of content. Because this content, I feel like it's priceless. So if you're interested in seeing how I did this braids, then continue to watch. So of course we start off this hair with freshly washed and blow dried hair. Like I said previously, we're using a company called Hotbraids, and I'm so happy to use this company because first, look at all the tools they give you when you get your package. You got everything to start. And this hair is so pretty, so soft, so silky. Look how shiny it is. This is 22 inches human bulk hair in body wave. And y'all, it's so simple to use. So first, I'm just parting my hair out. When it comes to tree braids and small braids, I like to section my hair first, just so everything is symmetrical because it makes it go by way quicker versus just trying to part your hair as you go. Then you can decide how many braids you want to use because you don't want to use too much hair, but I end up using all this hair for this style. So I needed to make sure that I part it all out so that I can have enough hair and it all be symmetrical all around my head because that's what makes it look the best. I'm sure you've noticed I'm in a different location. Yes, I'm at my sister's house currently. I had to go to her house because I had something going on in my house, but I will be back in my regular location shortly. So as you can see in this video, I parted out my hair. I kind of did them a little bit bigger in the back and then I did them smaller towards the front of my head. Okay, y'all, I'm going to give you a quick little hair tip on how to separate this hair and how to make it more controlled because this hair is very soft and very flimsy, and to get more control of it, to make sure that your braid is solid and the hair is not slipping all over the place, this is what you need to do. So the edge control that I like to use is this. Now I do not like to use this for my actual hair because it is really stiff. I like to use this for my actual hair because it's a little softer. Now it depends on you. You can decide which one you like, but this is the combination I like to use. And this is stiffer. This is an extreme hold, and I think it just helps control the hair a lot better. So what I like to do is take some of the edge control grab some of it like this. And I like to keep the little band on this hair just to, again, keep it more controlled. And you pretty much just put your edge control right all on this tip of hair. And you want to make sure that it is rubbed in good. You can even take a comb and just comb it through, because again, you want to make sure this is on every strand of hair. Then you can remove this part. And then now, again, I might put a little bit more on there, y'all, just because for safe measure. And now what you can do is you can grab piece by piece what you're going to be using to braid your hair. And now the hair is more controlled, and you can grab piece by piece. And this is about the size that I use. I probably use about 5 or 6 of these per braid. And you can pull it away, and then you have a controlled piece that you can lay out. So you can either pull them all out at one time and then have them laying, or you can just pull out the pieces that you need and it's just controlled. So it's just the best technique to do when you're trying to grab this hair. So this is how I did my tree braids. First, you're going to part your hair, and then you're going to start it off like a normal knotless braid. And as you start to feed in the hair, you're going to feed in 3 pieces first before you pull any hair out. Also, when you go into feed in the hair, you're going to fold it, and you're going to make sure that the hair with the product on the end is shorter than the other side, because that's the part that adds the stability to the braid, and the other side adds the length. Now, once you get to the 4th piece, you're going to add the piece in, but you're going to take the curl and you're going to add it out, and you're going to continue braid without adding in the longer end to your hair. Just watch the video for reference. I like to put it in my mouth just to keep it out the way. Then you're going to braid it all the way down, maybe about 4 or 5 times, and you're going to do the same thing with another piece of hair. It's up to you to decide how much hair you add to each braid, but I pretty much added about 3 or 4 pieces to each braid after I added the 3 pieces from the beginning. So in total, that would be 7 small pieces to each braid. And again, it's up to you to decide. I want it to be more hair than braids. I want you to see the braids at the top, but I want it to be more hair at the bottom. So the more hair you add, the more it'll look more like hair and not braids. But again, this hairstyle is completely customizable. Depends on what the look you're going for. If you want it to be just all braids, you can literally just do the first step and continue to braid all the way down and tie a knot at the end, and it'll be all braids with the curly ends. But you can add a lot of hair, a little hair, it just depends. But again, I end up using all 6 bundles of hair. You would think with using 6 bundles of hair, it'll be like super full and super heavy, but it actually wasn't. It was actually very light, and it came out exactly how I wanted it to be. It was perfect with 6 bundles. So it was 3 bundles, and each bundle came with 2 in it. So once I added all my hair in, I literally just tied a knot in the hair at the end. And how you do the knot is just get a little piece of hair and wrap it around and tie it in a slip knot like 3 times so that it doesn't come out. You can add nail glue to it to secure it, but I wanted to redo this hair and reuse this hair, so I didn't add any glue. And the knots worked just fine. Now here's the final result of my braids. I love this hair. I love the texture. I love the weight of it. It was so easy to use. And I really like this hair a whole lot. It pretty much gave me the look that I was going for, and it was perfect for vacation. If you use the technique I showed you, these braids will turn out perfect for you too. I'm using the mousse by Tresemme just to lay my hair down, and then I'm going to tie it in the scarf. And I actually do not wet this until my vacation because I did not want to go to sleep with wet hair, and I actually did this the night before I left for my trip. And I had to leave early in the morning, and I just didn't want to go to sleep with wet hair. And this is day 1 in Cabo after I wet it and everything. It looks perfect. This is also my sister, guys. She's in my video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And I will talk to you later.